Welcome back to another really quick update video, guys. I want to show you something super cool. So the doors have been fighting me. This cap has been fighting me a little bit, but the doors have been the biggest fight. Look right here. This will be the solution. I got a little dent on this one. I didn't see it when I originally inspected, but new door skins. This is a very thick gauge metal. Your door mount little knockouts here, or sorry, door handle knockouts there. And then this is for you, if you have an earlier model Scout, this converts it to a later model Scout. But at the same time, you don't have to repair your doors like I have been with that door bottom that's like right here. And then this is such a long straight panel that kind of just, it's so hard not to get warping. That's what I've been fighting. And then also, if you just try to patch whatever's rusty down here, what you don't get rid of is everything that is pinched between this little folding tab in the inner part of the door. So that rust will always be there. So that was pretty much going to be the only rust that remained on this Scout, was whatever it couldn't get to under here. Well, not anymore, because this thing exists. So this is beautiful. It looks really good. It looks even better than it did in the pictures. Got some minor, but that's not even a dent. That's just in this coating, which obviously you can get sanded and then primed over. But the really exciting thing that I want to show you guys that just came out is this right here. A whole new lift gate. Not just the skin, but a whole new lift gate. So this is a game changer. And it looks awesome. Very straight. I held it up in place and the gap is perfect. Looks awesome. Super stoked about this. Now, from what I understand, and when I make a longer video, I'll dive a little bit deeper into it. But from what I understand is if you have a lift gate, don't throw it away. You're still gonna need the rods that go in here to the latch. So I still have mine. I still have my handle. You can get a handle from these guys too. I'll put a link in the description where I got these. But this is about 800 bucks, but you know what? The other one was not savable and the Scout's not complete without it. So I retained my hinges, which I think you can get new hinges, but I have my old hinges and they're perfect. But you gotta keep your handle. You can get that. It's expensive, but you can get it if you need it, if it's bent. But you need to keep all your latching stuff. So I have that. But I mean, look how straight this is. No body work required on this. I'm just gonna prime it and paint it. It's gonna be so nice. Just to show you how the old hatch looked, or lift gate, sorry. Look at that. There's no repairing that. There's no way to repair that. I thought about trying, just laying a big piece of sheet metal over this and trying to build it out, but I've got rot there. There's my hinges. These are those tubes I'm talking about right here. So those go in the sandblaster and get painted and protected, but yeah, I'm super stoked about this, guys. And also keep your glass, because glass is expensive. I'll probably have to get a new seal, because this one's hard as a rock. This is the door that I was fighting, trying to make it straight. As you can see, it's just too much body filler, and it dips. I don't know if you can tell here, but it dips like 1/8 of an inch in the middle of the door. Because I'm not, a professional welder by any means, so I'm assuming that's what that's from. Oh, I guess it's just regular Scout style mirror that's on the other door skin. But anyways, yeah. So that door skin's gonna take care of all this work I've been trying to do here. I've got, probably 30 hours in on these doors. But with that said, super quick video. Shipping was fast, less than a week. And I'm in Maine and they ship from California, so went really well. And these are gonna be a game changer in getting this Scout wrapped up.